how to buy MeMeDISCO token. So as you can see, this token, it came under the symbol of MMD. As you can see, the MMD is coming in January 6th, as you can see. So this token, it will be listed in January 6th at 10 UTC. As you can see, so it will be listed in the Bitmart and MeXC and L Bank. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, in this token, it will listed in Bitmart and MeXC and L Bank. So if you go to MeXC, as you can see, you will see this article about the vote meme coin disco to win a free of 60,000 USDC airdrops. So you will find here about this meme and how to participate and the details, as you can see, to like to vote on this token. So it will be listed as they said in their X account in the Bitmart and MeXC and L Bank in the January 6th. In the January 6th, it will be available on this these exchange platforms. So stay tuned and keep checking their X account to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the MeMeDISCO token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.